So hello guys. Introduce ko lang tong app natin na gagawin ngayon. Ito yung to-do list app. So, meron tayong landing page dito na napakaganda. And then we have a brand. So dito, yung brand natin, to-do list. Tapos, meron dito mga nav items, which is yung mga navigation bar. Pero yung pricing at contact is hindi na natin nilagyan yan. So, ayan, features, pricing, contact, and then manage your task. Easily nakalagay sa ating parang hero section. Stay organized and increase productivity with our simple and intuitive to-do list app. So, get started, right? So, pag may get started, makita nyo, login yung page natin. So, yung app natin ngayon is merong login, sign up, log out, at saka yung dashboard. So, pictures, ayan. Everything you need to manage your tasks effectively, easy to use, cross-platform, and secure. So, meron din tayong footer na napakaganda guys. Pictures, pricing, tsaka meron dito, all rights, reserve. So, let's try mag-click ng get started, right? So, ayan, mapupunta tayo sa login page. So, if wala pa tayong account, so, punta muna tayo sa no account, register here. So, sign up tayo. So, let's say Vivian Tech, right? And then, Vivian My Love 123. Yung password ko, let's say, Vivian My Love 123. So, yan. So, yung username is Vivian Tech, tapos Vivian My Love yung password. So, sign up natin. So, ayan. Nag-success yung sign up. So, login natin. Vivian Tech. Tapos, Vivian My Love 123. So, login natin. Try. So, ayan. Nag-login siya sa ating dashboard. So, andito na yung name. So, to do pwede natin yung change. Depende nyo na lang yan. So, andito yung username. So, ayan. Makita yung username na Vivian Tech, right? So, meron tayong task, new task completed, at saka username, at saka logout. So, let's say task. So, wala pa tayong task. Pwede tayong mag-click ng new task. And then, let's say I want to buy what do I want to buy? Spaghetti. Right? So, I want to buy spaghetti malapit sa Baywalk sa Maasin City, Southern Leyte, right? And then, not started. Okay, save muna natin yan. So, ayan. I want to buy spaghetti. So, new task ulit. Exercise during morning. Meron bang ganun, right? So, run or healthy lifestyle. Mga abo chichi. Okay, so in progress, let's say in progress yan. So, ayan, not started, in progress, and then new task pa tayo. Swimming, go swimming. Go swimming during weekends. Go swimming during weekends. So, ayan. Sabihin natin completed na to, right? Save. Then, new task ulit tayo para fishing, go fishing. Go fishing malapit sa kanila Vivian. So, yan. In progress. Yan. So, let's say, i-check natin yung completed na task. So, swimming, natapos na. So, let's say, natin tong fishing, i-completed. So, i-click natin yung edit. Tapos, completed natin. So, ayan, dalawa na yung completed. Let's check. Completed. Okay. And then, what if i-delete natin tong hindi ko na gusto tong I want to buy spaghetti. So, let's say delete natin yan. So, are you sure you want to delete I want to buy spaghetti? Confirm. So, ayan. So, ayan guys. yung sa dashboard natin, yun yung lahat magagawa natin. Tapos log out, right? So merong log out dito. So yun, napunta agad tayo sa homepage. So if babalik tayo, get started, so login pa rin. So let's say Vivian Tech, and then Vivian My Love 123, right? Login. And then pupunta tayo ulit sa sa homepage. So ayan, ang nakalagay na is go to dashboard, right? So hindi na siya get started, kanina is get started. So ayan guys, yan yung gagawin natin na app. So excited na ba kayo? I hope you are. So let's start. Sa next video mag-set up tayo ng project, and then let's get started. See ya.